What's up, you guys, and happy Tuesday. I am running a little behind this morning as we had so much going on yesterday. If you are not caught up, watch yesterday's vlog and you'll see what happened. But I also have a bunch of pictures that I taken yesterday at the Darlington mayor election, which I posted on my Instagram, which is AZ Productions. You guys can check that out and follow it, but I will show you more right after the intro. I don't know if you guys have ever ate one of these Lenny and Larry cookies, but they're fantastic. Alright guys, I just got here to Palmetto Street Gym. I'm going to go in there and finish up that treadmill that I worked on 2 days ago. I'm going to get that up to running. Alright, and then I got a couple concerns as far as a few benches that were loose, so I'm going to go over there and tighten those up. I'm getting ready to sit down, eat some food, and head on to the next gym. So let's eat that food and keep it moving.
I bet if I saw pictures of that.
Alright guys, I am right here outside of Ladies One Gym. I'm going to go in there. There's a bike handle that's messed up. It's locking back and it won't slide forward sometimes. So I'm going to take the handle apart and try to figure out what's wrong with that. So let's get inside and fix that. I'm inside here, ladies, and I took apart this handle right here that slides on this roller back and forth, and it has a little key that locks into these grooves whenever you let the handle go, and that's what keeps it stuck in its spot. So what I've come to find out the issue is with it not locking well is when you look right here at the where the pin goes through, it's actually walled out on this corner right here. So when you pull back, there's a slight give right there on that corner, allowing it to go too far down and actually hit the frame before it actually finally does its complete roll. So there's two possible options as far as fixing this, one of which is replacing this handle and getting a new key that goes in there so that they lock together smoothly, and you might as well change out the spring because it's kind of weak. Or you can tighten a nut down just a little bit harder, and it should hold all three of these pieces together well enough that it will lock back properly. So I'm going to put this all back together, and if it doesn't work the way we want it to, then I'm going to have to order those three pieces. So, let's do that. Alright guys, I just got done at Ladies getting that bike fixed. I'm glad that it worked out. I don't think I'm going to have to buy the handle and all those little pieces because it lined up so perfectly whenever I put it all back together. So that's a win on that. That'll save money for my boss. Now I'm getting ready to head into Second Loop Gym. I bought some fluorescent lights that I'll be putting up in a couple areas that they had broken at. So let's get inside of there and get these things changed out. Alright guys, I just finished up the day. Got a lot of stuff taken care of. It was a very successful day. I'm glad I finally got that treadmill fixed over at Palmetto, so that should be good. A couple other things, got the light bulbs taken care of, that was a win. Got Leahy's taken care of, that's also a win. So everything's been going real good except for the fact that I ain't been working out like I've been supposed to. I missed 2 days, which is kind of my rule. I try not to miss 2 days in a row. So I'm gonna run inside right now that I'm already at the gym, get a little pump, and finish out my day with a workout. Hope you guys like it. If you're enjoying this content, please like the video down below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted every time I put up a video. And until tomorrow, peace out.